Today we are going to look at graphing using slope-intercept form. Now, the key to graph using slope-intercept form is it first has to be in slope-intercept form. It has to be in this form right here, y equals mx plus b, so we can pick out the slope and the y-intercept. So for this first one, it already is. Okay, and we'll go do these and we'll move down. So it's already in slope-intercept form, so your slope is the coefficient of x. Y-intercept would be 4 there. Those would be the easiest ones to deal with, and we can just graph it. We'll look at graphing in just a moment. If it is not solved for y, we have to solve it for y. We have to put it in slope-intercept form. So for this one, we would need to subtract 2x and move that over. So now we have y equals 3 minus 2x, or negative 2x plus 3. So your slope is still the coefficient of x, which is negative 2, y-intercept 3. Okay, very similar on this next one, the top right. You need to get y by itself, put it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to subtract 3x, move that over, and we get y equals 2 minus 3x. So our slope there, coefficient of x, would be negative 3, and our y-intercept, 2. And then the last one, this is just showing an example where usually it's an application problem talking about a specific scenario, and they're using different variables besides x and y. But this is in slope-intercept form. This d is representing our output, our y, t is representing our input. So our slope here could be negative 1.75, and our y-intercept would be 28. Okay, so we have to be able to solve for y in order to graph it. So now let's look at graphing. So this first one, this is the same one from above. We have a slope of 3 and a y-intercept of 4. So the way we're going to graph is you're going to start at this y-intercept. You're going to go put a point at 4 on the y-axis. Slope is 3. Now remember, that's 3 over 1. So we're going to go, it's positive, so we're going to go up 3, right 1, and put another point. And you can keep going if you want. Up 3, right 1, put another point. You can make as many points as you want by going up 3 and right 1. If you look at the next one, this one has a slope of negative 3 and a y-intercept of 2. So we go to put a point at 2 on the y-axis. Slope's negative 3, so we're going down 3. Remember, that's negative 3 over 1, so down 3, right 1. The negative meant we went down first instead of up. So there would be that line. You can always check at the end. If it's a negative slope, that line should be going down, and it is. If we look at the bottom left one, this one's already solved for y again, so this would have a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of negative 3. So we go put a point at negative 3 on the y-axis. Slope of 5 is 5 over 1, so it's positive, so we're going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to go right 1. So there would be our graph of that line. Positive slope, we got a line going up from left to right. And the fourth one is just an example where we're going to have to solve for y, because we can't pick out slope and y-intercept until we solve for y. So we need to get y by itself. So first we're going to move 3x over, subtract 3x. So now we have negative 3y equals 12 minus 3x. And last, we need y by itself still. So the opposite of times negative 3, we're going to divide by negative 3. So we get y equals 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is positive 1. So we got a y-intercept of negative 4, slope of 1. Okay, we can't graph it until we get that in slope-intercept form, just like that. So we go put a point at negative 4, slope of 1, that's 1 over 1, positive, so we go up 1, right 1. So there would be the graph of that line. So it is a little more work when you have to solve for y first, but it is a necessary part to be able to get it in slope-intercept form in order to graph it. Okay, if you turn it to the next page, now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to write the equation from the line. So to do this, you need to pick out your slope and your y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept, just go see where it crosses the y-axis, which is at 1. For the slope, we already found one point. Go find a second point. There's one. Line's going up from left to right, so this is a positive slope, and my vertical change is 1, 2, horizontal change 1, 2, 3. So 2 over 3. So I have my slope, I have my y-intercept. I can write the equation y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Okay, if you look at the second one, that's a horizontal line. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Anytime we have a horizontal line, all you have to do to write the equation, y equals, wherever it's crossing the y-axis, 3. Because remember, with the slope of 0, you would have a 0x, which you don't have to write that because 0 times x is 0. So we can just leave it as y equals 3. Okay, so you can use those to complete the classwork problems and then also to continue with the homework over that topic, graphing from slope-intercept form.